Some days things go great. You get to the beach early in the morning to catch a few waves, but you don't want to take your key fob with you in the water. Other times, things may go wrong. You try to open the Nexo's doors, but the key fob isn't doing anything. There's a solution for both situations. You can lock and unlock the vehicle with its mechanical key, even if the fob is inside. You can do this by pressing the release button on the bottom of the key fob. Then pull the key out. Push on the forward end of the door handle and the rear end will pop out. Grab the handle and pull it towards you. You'll find a plug in the mechanical lock behind the rear end of the handle. Lift the plug with your key. Insert the key. Turn it clockwise to unlock the door. Counterclockwise to lock it. If you are leaving the key fob behind, first use the key fob to lock all the vehicle's doors. Then unlock the door with the mechanical key and put the key fob inside in a safe place. Relock the doors. You're ready to go out onto the road or into the water.